Today's video will tell you how to make a navy blue fashion utility kilt with chains. As usual, the first task to do is gather all the equipment, including the sewing machine, scissors, measuring tapes, etc. We take the fabric and other attachments as well. Let's measure the fabric, cut it, and let it be simple. The next step is to make pleats. We get exact measurements, cut the pleats, and stitch them to each other. We now take D-rings and sew them on the sides. Make the waistband now and sew it to the apron and pleats. Now we attach the belt loops to the waistband and sew D-rings just below them. Make pockets for both sides and connect them with fish hooks. Remember to add buttons on the pocket flaps.